motocross clothing company out of St. Augustine, specializing in t-shirts, women's clothing, and hats.
Women always come in and buy the shirts because they're a little short and cropped. They fit perfect. The guys love the t-shirts, and now we have the sweatshirts for winter. The material is super soft, and I love Thrash and I love Corey, and he's always out here representing the riders, a few that he sponsors.
Hello, my name is Kristen Washington. I'm 17 years old and I'm from Ormond Beach. I've been riding for like 6 years now, and I just started working with Corey with the Thrashmx for about a year and a half. Riding dirt bikes is definitely a big passion for me, and this company definitely represents it.